Hey everyone, we're Sean and Heather, and today we're going to make a quick frozen and nutritious yogurt bowl that's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even a light dessert.
We're starting with Greek yogurt. It's creamy, packed with protein, and a great base for our bowl. Next, we're adding a dollop of peanut butter. This adds a boost of healthy fats and delicious nutty flavor. Stir it all together. Now for a bit of indulgence, dark chocolate. We're melting it with a touch of coconut oil to make it smooth and easy to pour. And just look at that. The dark chocolate not only adds a rich flavor but also provides antioxidants. Finally, sprinkle some peanuts on for extra crunch and protein. They tie all the flavors together beautifully. Now we're going to pop this into the freezer for about an hour. This will make it a refreshing and cool treat, perfect for those hot days. And there you have it, a simple, delicious, and nutritious frozen yogurt bowl. It's super easy to make, inexpensive, and a perfect cool summer treat. Plus, kids can help make it too, making it a fun family activity.
If you enjoyed this, check out our frozen berry bark video. It's another high-protein cold snack that's perfect for a hot day. And subscribe for more recipes as easy as 1, 2, 3.